Hey guys, it's Abigail and I'm going to show you how to make this amazing apple cobbler. So we are starting with the dough, and the things you will need are a big bowl. You will also need 1/3 cup oats, 1/3 cup light brown sugar, and 1/3 cup flour, along with a grater and 6 tablespoons of butter. Now take your oats, your light brown sugar, and your flour, and you do not have to mix it up with a spoon. I am using a spoon, but you do not have to. You can just mix it up with your hand because it is a dough and it does become much easier if you use your hands and not a spoon or a fork. Now take your 6 tablespoons of butter and grate it all into your dry ingredients. Since it is a dough, mixing it up with a spoon is much harder, so you want to use your hands. And now you want to chill it in the fridge. As your dough is in the fridge, we can start on the filling. So you will need 4 apples cut up, some cinnamon, 4 tablespoons of light brown sugar, and 2 tablespoons of flour. And you also need a spoon. Your cinnamon, your brown sugar, and your flour, and just mix it up into the apples. Now you want to evenly spoon all your apples mixture into 4 ramekins, and then take your dough out of the fridge and use your hands to place it on top of the fruit. Like what I did, you might want to ask an adult to put it in the oven for 25 minutes at 350 degrees, and you're done.